Hello? Let's see.
Waiting. I don't think he's on yet.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Rob. Yeah, I can hear you fine. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How are you? Thank
Doing
you so
well.
much.
Yeah, I don't think.
No
Can you
problem.
see us?
Can you see us okay?
No, I don't have video.
Yeah, grab.
Let's see. No, that's off. Let's see. How do we see your video?
No, that's just a flashlight. Wait, did you? So you don't have access to video on yours, or
No,
you just
I
can't?
do. I don't. There we go. There we go.
Ah, you see us. Okay, great.
Cool.
Yep.
Cool.
Perfect.
How are you,
Yeah,
Rob?
it's
Doing
just
well.
showing up that way. Yeah.
So you got a
excellent.
switch.
Yeah, we have a light switch that goes into it. There's the bathroom light and a fan, right?
Yep.
And there's a switch here, and what
I could.
I was trying to switch it out, and I noticed like the red and the black go into the same terminal,
Sure.
same thread. It looks kind of strange because I'm thinking, why would there be a three-way switch here?
When it's just a single
It's just
switch.
a single switch, yeah.
Yeah. So what I think, because I thought that in my head, I kind of took a glance at the issue. So seeing how there's a light and a fan, it looks like they ran.
Yep.
You know, a 3-wire up to the fan initially, so that they could be turned on and off independently.
Oh. Wait, could you repeat
so
that?
the black. So, that one switch, when you turn it on and off, it turns on that fan light combination.
Yep. Yes, correct. Exactly. Yep.
Yeah. Okay. So what they did is they ran what's called a 3-wire. It's a cable that has a red and black, so that if you had like a double switch like the one next to it, you can turn them on and off independently.
I see.
So that's why they're under the same.
So can I use a 2-pole switch, or I still need the 3-pole?
No, you could use a single pole. It's just going to turn the light and fan functions of that. That's a combination fixture. So it has the capability to turn just the fan on and just the light on.
Okay.
But as long as you put the black that's by itself, that's the power. And then the red and the black that are together, that's called the switch legs. Yeah, one of them's going to the fan, one of them's going to the light of that same unit.
Got it. I see. So I can put them on the same. So should I use, what's the proper thing to use, a 2-pole or a 3-pole? Does it matter?
Well, if you just want it to function as it did with just, one switch controlling both of them, then you could use a single pole. No problem. Just like stab. Do you have the other switch?
Yeah,
here's the other switch
here. Single pole. I have both. I have both the 3-pole.
Okay.
And the single. What do you recommend? Yeah.
The single pole. So that switch is perfect. And instead of like how they spun the wire around the screw, you just leave them both straight, like the red and the black that are together.
Yep.
And they'll stab one on each side of the screw, so it'll.
Got it. Does it matter which side of the screw I use?
Nope, absolutely not. And matter of fact, they should go under that plate. And it's actually a better connection when there's two. So
I put it underneath the plate here, and then screw them both down. Is that right?
Bingo. The red and black that are together, put them on one of the screws, and then the black by itself, put it on the other screw.
Okay. And that's it. And then put the ground, and I'm good to go. Okay.
Yeah, if there's a ground, definitely put that on there, and you're just actually you wanna make sure it should indicate top or bottom. It doesn't matter where you land the wires, as long as the new switch, it'll say top or bottom. That way when you push the on, it goes on and it's not upside down.
No, meaning on this this says top.
on the new
Yeah,
switch.
yeah, it says top. Yeah, it says top here.
Yeah,
So that goes
perfect.
that
So
way. Got it.
yeah, exactly. That's the only. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter top or bottom screw, but you want the orientation of it to be top.
Okay, and how do I pull these? If these are on, like, how do I pull these out?
Are those, or do those have power on it right now?
There's no power on it. The power is off. I don't.
Okay. So
How do I tell if the power? I turned it off the circuit breaker. I believe. Is there a way to test it or?
yes. So you'll have to test. I don't see a test ground to one of the screws.
Say that again.
And matter of fact, if you turn it on, that light should come on if it's on, right?
Yeah. Well, it's just the switch is kind of broken.
Oh,
But
yeah,
I think
yeah.
it's off. I'm pretty confident that the circuit breaker is
Okay.
off.
So to get them off, the stab in, if you
Yeah.
if you you could try to pry them out how I do it, because they don't hold in very good. I just hold the wire pretty tight and I kind of twist the switch, and if at the same motion, and it'll pull out. The one under the screw, if it's wrapped around the screw, then yeah, you have to undo that
Yeah.
screw.
It's true. If it's in here, so you think it'll just pull out if I just kind of?
Yeah, you rock the switch and give a tug, and it. But
Okay.
if not, if you have cutters or a way to strip it, then you could just cut them off.
Okay. All right. I'll try and get. I think I got it. Okay. Cool. And then that's good. So and this is because it was the fan and.
So we're gonna do the exact
Yeah,
same
just
thing, right?
yeah, it's going to be just
Just use
keep
the 2 poles. Yeah.
the red and black that are under the same screw. You want to make a note. You want to like wrap them around each other or something, just to remember.
Yeah.
That's what I do normally.
Just to make sure I don't.
Yeah, no, I don't.
Get them messed up. Yeah. Let's get this. Let me get this one off here first. Okay, great. And then it should.
It definitely will work. And
Go ahead. Yep.
don't worry about damaging the switch. Feel free to give it a little like a clockwise, and then almost like rocking it back and forth, like you were shaking a soda or something, to get those other wires out at the same time of putting pressure.
Yeah.
And that motion, because it's an old spring,
Yeah.
so the
Wait,
and
can
if
you
that
not?
Which is so if I want, there's supposed to be like a thing. I push this in here, right? Like a
I,
spring.
I've never gotten it out that way, but I think there is a release.
There we go. Okay, so these, what you're saying is wrap them together.
Yeah, I wrap them. I like pull them tight, and so they're wrapped together down more towards the box.
So you said I should do this anyway because I'm gonna wrap them. I'm gonna put it underneath, right?
Yep. And you could put one of those on. Oh no! Don't wrap. No! Not the copper.
Yeah, he's
Don't wrap
saying. Well,
Wait, don't pull this around because I could put it on that so I don't get it messed up, right?
Okay, yeah, perfect. If you're gonna do it right now,
so this is the top. So you're saying it doesn't matter. Hold this on, Matt. Hold this on.
Nope.
It doesn't matter what pole it is, right? Just as long as both of these go on the same screw here, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, and this is the top. This is the top. So I can put these both on the top, right? Let's
Yep.
see, does it matter? Yeah.
Nope, doesn't matter.
But he was saying to twist these around together, right?
Just like twice, just so boom, that's perfect. Just so in case you ever change the switch again, you'll know that those two go up to the fan and light.
Okay, I think I'm good. All right. And if I need your help, I can call you back for whatever reason it doesn't work.
Anytime.
How do I get in touch with you if
you could just book me right through the Video Chatter Pro,
Okay.
and I'll have open availability.
Okay.
Well, let's go. We still have 5 minutes. Let's just keep working on it.
So when you
You
said
could-
this
I-
thing here, I put it underneath this thing. Is that right?
Yep,
Or no.
definitely. Yeah, right underneath that plate. So it'll have some play, and once you get one in there, then stab the other one, and
I'll try and
there you go. Perfect. You
one.
grab-
Let me get this one on first. I see this play there. Put it.
You want me to do it?
I got that one in. Hold on. Okay, it's kind of put them in. I see. Okay, I'll figure it out. Okay, so it goes in like that.
Yep. So if you might have to straighten that other
Yeah. Okay. Where are you from, Rob?
I'm from California.
Oh, California. Nice. Thanks for your help on this holiday weekend.
No problem. That's what I'm an instructor in the day and at night, actually.
Does it matter if it's I'm not gonna. It's okay if there's a little bit of the metal sticking out or no?
Yeah. As long as it's not gonna, you know, most of it's in, it should be fine.
That's in there. That's in there. I'll just get that in here.
If there's a hole right there that you could stab it in, I mean,
That's good. That's good. Matt, you want to just so now we just oh yeah, okay.
I want me to try.
Okay, you can try it. We just got them in, and then we just get them in, then we just screw it in. Okay.
okay, perfect. Yep.
You put it in.
And if you want to set the phone down while you do it, I'm not going to be, my feelings won't be hurt.
Okay. Got my son with me.
Yeah.
I always get nervous with electricity.
All right.
You know, the peace of mind is really, it's important with electricity.
Yeah. Because I couldn't understand why they would both be together, you know?
it's
Now I think
multi-function.
so if I wanted to do them differently, I could
could've
put a
done it.
different switch, but yeah.
Yep. It'd be a switch that looks just like the one next to it that has the two
Yeah, I didn't even know what those two don't even work. I didn't even know what those are for. Like someone must have remodel this at some point. Okay. So now I just take the other one.
Yep, and put it on the other two.
How this?
So I bet is my experience. So the double switch was probably for that light fan combo, and the other switch was probably for a light above the bathtub.
Right. Could be. So how come they? Oh, but why would they have put a 3-pole in there? Do you know?
It's not a 3-pole. It's a. Is there another entrance into that bathroom?
No.
So yeah, so there was another light besides for that light fan combo. There's another light in that bathroom that that was also controlled there.
Yeah.
At one
point. I see. And then they probably redid it. And then why is this not? Okay, that's out. And now we've got to get this one out. So this one is the common, is that right? Is that what you refer to this one here?
That's the power in.
This is the power in. This one is not. This one didn't come out as easy.
Yeah, no, those don't. That's why I just.
There we go. Got it. All right, so this is garbage. So Matt, then we take this